The TMC will be part of it?
See, I am also observing, I'm keenly observing this whole development. Now you see, uh, how you do things is very important. You can do things, but how you do is very important. Maybe how they do is the reason why they are delinking themselves. You see, I will put it that way. Much more simple but blunt. You see, I am being simple in my expression, but I'm being blunt. The approach. So therefore, uh, now in the state, I convinced Government of India, I convinced the Honorable Prime Minister then, the then Prime Minister, and we worked. We worked. Because if civil society organizations are opposing the construction or extension of railway lines, then there are reasons for us to know the riders. Riders, with clear pronouncement of their stand, where they have pronounced that they are not against developmental initiative. That means what? They are not against construction of railway line, but there is a rider. Now, how do you really uh, somehow deal with this rider and come to a kind of situation where we can somehow find an end result which ultimately allow us to see that the so-called mess, we are able to get out of the mess. Today it is a mess.
But sir, don't you think that this government